Everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone over to your Windows computer using an application called Lonely Screen. And this is probably the easiest way to do this. And you can get this for free. You don't need to donate any money or anything like that. You just have to go to Maybe Later right here and select this. And you can bring it up on your screen. So this is also called screen mirroring. And it's really easy to get this application. Just go to google.com and type in Lonely Screen or Bing. And this is the direct URL right here, lonelyscreen.com. And then go to download. And it says license, personal use, business use. This is more just like a donation thing. You don't need to actually do this. You can go down to the free trial right here, download for Windows. And then whenever that screen pops up, just go to Maybe Later. And then once we have this downloaded on your iPhone, you want to scroll on down from the upper right side of the screen. So where you see the Wi-Fi or the battery, scroll on down with your finger right there. Go to this little box and hold down on it. And go on down to Lonely Screen and just simply tap that. And you'll probably have a bunch of different permissions you're going to have to accept on your phone. And once you do that, you can easily bring it up. It's going to allow your PC to recognize Lonely Screen. And then you can use screen mirroring. And I believe you should be able to rotate your phone, open up different applications like here's my camera. You can see I'm recording right here, such. So yeah, it's really easy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.